the story of the plantable toothbrush, basically, it's because of pandemic. Kasi nga, we're effective. Yung bamboo store namin, we're good now. We're in the big brand already in the Philippines. But of course, yung tourism um, and food industry talaga, beverage industry is yung naapektuhan during the pandemic. So that's the idea behind it. Naghahanap talaga kami ng produkto na kung saan resilient. Na kahit may pandemic, may calamity, ginagamit pa rin ng mga tao. So that's why in conducting a lot of research, so tinry, nag-test ko sa basically fan ako ng research na kailangan it should be viable, na kailangan mo na natatanim mo siya na totoo, okay, yung claims. And which is upon conducting a lot of bootstrapping with the product, so we came up with this technology using a nanotechnology and different modern technology in order to make this plantable toothbrush happen. So yun siya, mga native trees. For example, ngayon we have mamalis, pine tree, acacia, native here in the Philippines, alimangbang. So for example, in your family, the father is the pine tree, the mother is the acacia, then yung anak mo either bamboo, alimangbang, so that sustainability works inside the family because we want that sustainability could be accessed easily. Those eco-friendly products should be cheaper and it should be started in our home. So mas madali na lang kasi pag na-convince na natin yung mga pag ginagawa na ng mga tao, okay, yung lifestyle, okay, being an eco-friendly and basically na mas makatipid din doon sa mga pang-araw-araw nilang gastusan. So that's how it works.